Everybody loves the idea of a turnkey home. There are, however, a lot of great opportunities out there to purchase a home that may not be so pretty. However, the drawback is always, I don't have enough money to do the updates and the repairs after I move in. Well, today we're going to talk about a loan program where you can purchase one of those not so pretty homes and actually finance the repairs and updates that you would like to do. I'm joined by Dave Ratty, the Ratty Lending Team at Envoy Mortgage, and he's here to tell us about an FHA 203K loan. So welcome, David.
Well, thank you for having me. This is what we call the great wealth builder in America. So the renovation loan is just one loan, pays for the house and pays for the improvements. It enables people maybe to purchase a home that has some deferred maintenance. Maybe it needs some things. We're able to package that up, whether it's $10,000 or $200,000 of improvements. We're able to package that up into one loan, one mortgage. The repair money sits in a bank account, escrow account, and the money is doled out as the work is done. So it's a great program that many people don't know about, but it is a great way to purchase a home, whether it's a primary resident or an investor, and fix it up to your taste, and probably build up some equity.
And no, too, it doesn't necessarily have to be a home that's falling down. It can just be something that's a little dated, needs a new kitchen, a bathroom. So it's also a loan for that. So sometimes people think it's like for a home that's falling down, and that's not the case. David and I are doing one right now for a buyer client of ours. So quick example on this. So sales price on this one, David's what, 491,000. The buyer's going to finance 53,000 in repairs. So all in, the buyer's in for about 544. The after repair appraisal came in at 578. So this one's kind of a home run for the buyer. So not only are they able to move into a nice updated house when all is said and done, but they're also going to be sitting with a $34,000 equity position. So I would say that's a great deal.
Absolutely. I agree. What a great way to build wealth. It just has one mortgage payment. It's not like I have to finance the improvements or the repairs. And by the way, those improvements, the house could be perfect and you just want to add an addition. That's fine too.
It is a great loan. So if you have any questions regarding a rehab loan, please reach out to David. His contact information is on the screen. And of course, if you have any real estate related questions, I'm always here to help. And as always, we appreciate you tuning in and we look forward to seeing you next time.